Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your trade shows with Freeman, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your trade shows with Freeman, begin by researching your specific needs. Identify the goals and objectives for your trade show participation. Understand your target audience to tailor your approach accordingly. Evaluate your current booth setup and determine areas for improvement. Visit Freeman's website to explore their range of services and solutions. Utilize their online tools to envision your ideal booth design. Schedule a consultation with a Freeman representative for personalized assistance. Discuss your budget and timeline to align expectations. Request case studies or testimonials from previous clients to gauge Freeman's capabilities. Consider utilizing Freeman's logistics services for seamless transportation and installation. Incorporate cutting-edge technology, such as interactive displays, to engage attendees. Plan your promotional materials and giveaways in advance. Work with Freeman's design team to create custom graphics that reflect your brand. Review the layout of your booth to optimize traffic flow and visibility. Utilize Freeman's event management tools to streamline your planning process. Conduct pre-event training for staff to ensure they are well prepared. On the day of the event, arrive early to oversee booth setup and troubleshoot any issues. Monitor attendee engagement and interactively gather feedback during the event. After the trade show, conduct a debrief session with your team to assess outcomes. Analyze the data collected to understand your return on investment. Use insights gained to refine your strategy for future trade shows with Freeman. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.